She works on the atomic clock a lot.
Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, guys, come in and thank you. All right, everybody. Welcome to our spacecraft assembly facility. This is where we assemble and test the spacecraft, do some of the testing for the spacecraft. This room is called High Bay 1. If you look on the back wall, you'll see some emblems from the past missions and our instruments that have been assembled in this room. We do have another large assembly facility. It's shorter but taller. It's a 70-foot cube, basically. That's where we assemble our larger projects, such as Voyager and Galileo. We're built in there. This room is mainly where we build our rovers. Now, if you look, you'll see that technicians, in particular High Bay Bob right there in the sunglasses, he's modeling one of the bunny suits that the technicians have to wear while they're in this room. And the reason why they have to wear them is because this is a class 10,000 clean room. So what that means is that for every cubic foot of air in the room, there are no more than 10,000 dust particles, a half micron in size or larger. Now that might sound like a large number, but compared to, for example, the air in downtown Los Angeles, you would expect to find on average around 3 million particles per cubic foot. So this is 10,000. How that works is that there are vents across the way that's blowing clean air in, and there are vents above us that's taking air out. We're recycling it through a series of carbon and HEPA filters that remove 99.997% of the particulates in the air, a half micron in size or larger. So this is a great job for you if you have asthma or allergies. This is career goals right here. So once they get all suited up in their bunny suits, they enter the room through what's called an air shower. So there's one in the back left-hand corner where that glass door is with the orange diamond. There's another one on the east wall closer to us. And what it is a small room with nozzles of air that turn on when they go inside. Has anybody ever seen those hurricane machines at the mall? Yeah. Those little booths? Yeah, it's very similar to that. So they walk inside, the air turns on, and then what's really funny is while they're inside there, they actually have to do a little dance to shake it off. Because the more places that the air hits them, the more stuff comes off of them. Does anybody know the biggest component of dust?
Skin.
Yeah, dead skin, right? Now, human skin has a lot of bacteria on it, and some bacteria have been known to survive the vacuum of space for a long period of time.
Cool.
So why do you think it's important that we keep the people and parts clean when we're going to build a spacecraft that's going to land on the surface of another world?
I want to infect the alien.
Yeah, we don't want to contaminate. Yeah, contamination. We don't want to contaminate the worlds that we're exploring. In fact, NASA has a whole division of planetary protection for that purpose. One of the things that we do prior to shipping the spacecraft to its launch site is we will bake it at 200 degrees Fahrenheit in order to sanitize it against any possible microbial hitchhikers.